Horrifying moments at a protest in Hollywood after a truck drove through a crowd, striking a person before speeding off. 300 protesters marching down Sunset Boulevard Thursday night after the Breonna Taylor decision. Witness video shows a dark-colored pickup accelerates into someone. The truck sped towards others in the crowd who jumped out of the way.
I got the plate number.
The Los Angeles Police Department said they identified the driver but added no arrests have been made.
There we go.
Police say the protester that was hit was taken to the hospital with minor injuries.
Oh my God.
In Hollywood, California, Danielle Radin reporting for NewsNet.